Hello and welcome to DevTest Solutions. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a virtual service from a Swagger or OpenAPI specification. And creating a virtual service in this way can be very useful when the service that you want to virtualize is still being developed. So starting with DevTest 10.4, we now support OpenAPI 3.0 specifications as well as Swagger 2.0. I should point out though that you can create a virtual service from an OpenAPI spec using the same features that were present in Swagger 2.0, but the new features that were added as part of OpenAPI 3.0 are not supported. So in this video, I'm going to use a Swagger document that's included with the DevTest installation for the Forward Cars demo application. And this functionality is available in DevTest Portal as well as in Workstation. For this video, I'm going to show you how to do it in Portal, but the process is pretty much the same in both. I'll also point out that if you need more information on either process, there is additional information available in DocOps. And to get there from the portal, just click View DevTest Documentation on the home page. You can also just open a browser and go to docops.ca.com/DTS for DevTest Solutions. And once you're there, in the search field, you can just type Swagger. And then you'll see the available content for both Portal and Workstation. Okay, so let's go ahead and go back to Portal. And to get started, I just click Create and Virtual Service. And then I just select Specification. And then I'm going to enter a name for the virtual service that I want to create and a brief description. And now you can either enter a URL for the Swagger or OpenAPI document that you want to use, or you can click Select File to browse your file system. And once I have the document selected, I'm ready to click Continue. And this screen shows the operations that are in the selected document. And you can use the checkboxes on this page to determine which operations you want to virtualize. And you can also change the MIME type of the request and response. And now that I have the selections that I want, I can go ahead and click Finish. And in the Collect Transaction step, I can see the operations that I just selected here on the left. And on the right, I can see the default request and response for the selected operation. If you like, you can also manually add transactions, or you can modify the requests and responses. I'm going to accept what I have here and go ahead and click Next. And in the Configure step, you can see that the JSON data protocol was automatically selected on the request side. Because this service involves REST calls, I'm also going to add the REST protocol. And to do that, I just select the protocol in the Available column and then click the arrow to move it to the Selected column. And I'm ready to click Next. The Configure DPH step lets you modify the configuration of the data protocols. I'm just going to accept the default settings here, so I can go ahead and click Save and Next. And then in the final step, I'm going to save and deploy the virtual service, and then click Save at the bottom of the page. And you can see that the virtual service was successfully saved and deployed. And that's pretty much all there is to creating a virtual service from a Swagger or OpenAPI specification. I hope you found this video useful, and thank you for viewing it. For more detailed information about this product, click the information bubble in the top right corner to go to the CA Service Virtualization product page. And from there you can access product documentation, support, or communities, and see the available learning paths.